I'm Philip Curry and I'm a pastry chef and chocolatier. I remember going to the Hunter Valley Chocolate Festival in regional New South Wales and trying, I guess, a fine chocolate for the first time. It had this incredibly crisp, thin shell with a really soft filling, and it was such an inspirational experience. I decided to drop everything and refine my chocolate skill set. Harrods is all about the art of the possible and stretching the limits of luxury, and for us that's all about like bespoke creations. So, you know, targeting specific holidays, specific, you know, customers, and being able to offer something truly bespoke and luxurious. You know, a custom mold can cost anywhere from £2,000 to £3,000 or £4,000 to start, and your lead time for development can be anywhere from 8 to 12 weeks. So it's kind of something left for the big projects where there's some big budget. Otherwise, it's a no-go zone. These days, with the Multiplier, if I have an idea and I can create a design or have someone create the design for me, I can have a mold within a week, which is like completely groundbreaking. The way I understand it, it's the opposite of vacuum forming. So where traditionally vacuum forming pulls air from beneath the object that you're creating a mold from, this one actually presses air from above. So you get, you know, the heated material flexing over the object and filling out all the details. It just lets us respond to things much faster. So sometimes you might have something that's trending, the ability to be able to like jump on that and put out a product within a few weeks is priceless. I was walking down the street in spring and I saw all the magnolias blooming, and I just thought, how cool would it be to make a blooming chocolate flower that opened up, that had a few different layers, that could be a centerpiece, you know, at a dinner party that everyone can pull apart and enjoy. Typically, design usually sits with the mold manufacturer, so you give them a brief of what you want. You might give them as detailed a diagram as you can, and then it's up to them to craft the die. For this particular project, because we're talking about so many molds, I don't know that it would be possible, or it would cost a huge amount of money and take a really long time to produce. The thing about the Multiplier is that you could take all these different parts and put them through the machine and create incredibly highly detailed molds that you can use immediately. You're getting this really sharp, clean edge. It retracts beautifully, and yeah, it's a game changer. So the cost of one custom mold is about the same price as this whole machine. If creativity and flexibility and that ability to customize something is important to you, I think you need to be seriously considering this machine. I mean, rarely have I spoken about a piece of equipment that I would not open a business without.